at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard. Damaging tornado. Illinois. Intel says radar confirmed tornado. A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located over Summit, moving northeast. Caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Irwin, Fort. You are in a life-threatening situation. North Riverside around 6:30 p.m. You are in a life-threatening Oak Park, Austin, and Brighton Park around 6:35 p.m. Damage to homes. Bridgeport, Belmont, Cratchit, Forest Park, East Garfield Park around 6:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include West Town, near West Side, Humboldt Park, Logan Square, Chicago, 3 p.m., Lincoln Park, Irving Park, Navy Pier, Northerly Island, near North Side, Lakeview, Uptown, and Edgewater. Thunderstorms include West Town, near West Side, Humboldt Park, Logan Square, Chicago, Chicago Loop, Lincoln Park, Irving Park, Navy Pier, Northerly Island, near North Side, Lakeview, Uptown, and Edgewater. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Hawthorne Park, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Guaranteed Rate Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, Wheatley Field, The Loop, Museum Campus. 9. Interstate 294 between mile markers 46 and 56. Storm develops. Tornado warning. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Windsor Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 8:15 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing water spouts were located along a line extending from near Wilmette Harbor to near Diversey Harbor to near Midway Airport, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, public. Impact, water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Windsor Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hammond Marina. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. The National Weather Service